Okay, welcome back, guys. Today I'm featuring the BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzlers. Let's get into it. And of course, I'm starting off with my witch hazel and my Equate Beauty moisturizing cream. I'm just going to add that all over, blend that in with my fingers. And then, actually, I'm trying this aloe vera gel out for a primer. I noticed when I put it on the first time, it got kind of tacky. So I thought, hey, let me try this for a primer. And then I'm going in with my black opal foundation. I'm just going to use one pump of that. We're just going to go ahead and blend that all over. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and the color on that is tan. Alright, once I have that placed, I'm going in with my Sonia Kashuk makeup blender. I have recently fell in love with this thing. It blends the product out really good, but most importantly, this thing was so easy to clean. So I'm all over this. Okay, I'm just going to continue to blend that out, and then once I've blended it out to my liking, I'm going to go in again with concealer. I'm using the Makeup Revolution. Okay, and that color is C10. Again, I'm just going to use that just to brighten just a little bit. That's my daughter I'm talking to. She's headed off to school. Hi, Aisha. So next I'm taking my Midnight and my NYC loose powder, and I'm just pressing that in over my concealer. Okay, and then I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and the number 65. And I'm using my e.l.f. dual fiber brush to blend that out. And then I'm also going to go in with my MAC 129 brush. Okay, and then I'm taking my MAC Studio Perfecting Powder, and I am just going to press that in all over just to blend everything seamlessly. Okay, and after that, I'm going in with my Swiss chocolate to define my contour a little bit. And after that, I'm actually going to go into my Juvias Place Festival palette. I'm going to use Mmanwo for blush. Okay, and then I am going in with my Ruby Kisses concealer. I'm just gonna drag that along my contour just to define that a little bit more, and then just blend that out where I define that line at, just to sharpen it up. Okay, and that's my MAC Charge Water. Okay, and I am going to go in with Rosy Cheer from my MAC Hyper Real Highlighting Palette. You guys, I love this palette. This palette doesn't get enough play, as some people say. Really soft, like it goes on so smooth. You don't have to blend a lot or, you know, layer it a lot. It goes on really smooth. Okay, and here I am just going in with my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer and blending that in with my fingers and running a little bit through my brow. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. Okay, and from the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, I'm going to take that light transition color. I'm just going to use that in my crease. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with that same palette. I'm going to use that dark color at the bottom to define my crease again with the darker color. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I am going in with Ashes from the Naked Heat palette. I'm just going to use that to darken up my crease and also my outer V area. Okay, and after I'm done defining my outer V and my crease, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Diamond Base Booster and also the Diamond Dazzler in the color Flashy. After using this base booster a couple times, it very much reminds me of the e.l.f. Glitter Glue, which is only $3. The base booster was only $7, but it's pretty much the same thing. So if you can't get the base booster, you can get your hands on that e.l.f. Glitter Glue. And as you can see, it's very pretty. Of course, the camera does it no justice. This combination is really pretty. It's much more sparkly and fine glitter-like when you see it in person. Okay, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and I'm just going to go back in with Ashes, and I'm going to overlap that color over the Diamond Dazzler color Flashy, just to blend that in. Try to make sure there's a seamless transition there. Okay, and without adding any more product, I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to run that along underneath my bottom lash line. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I am going in with my Smolder eyeliner from MAC. I'm going to run that in my waterline and also blend that out. Okay, and once I'm done with that, I'm going in with MAC Instacurl mascara. Just going to coat my lashes really good. Once I'm done with that, I will be applying my curly lashes. I will be applying my curly lashes sent to me from Eye Candy Lashes. This Eye Candy Lashes company. I will link her information down in the description bar. Thank you again, Miss Kayla from Eye Candy Lashes, for sending me these lashes. I really do love them. They're mink lashes, so I know I will probably have them forever. Here I'm applying the Ariana Grande lip gloss, which is discontinued, but you can use Spice or Spite from MAC. You guys, that is my look. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope you continue to come back as we grow together. And I will see you guys next time. Remember, the best makeup you can wear is confidence.